Here I have Samsung Galaxy F34, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So firstly, you should open Files application, tap Allow, so you can transfer images, videos, audio files, documents, downloads and installation files. So let's transfer some images. So let's pick this one. To select an image, you just hold down your finger on it. Then you can select multiple images. So let's just pick this and this image. Then you should select if you want to copy these images or if you want to move them. So let's copy. Then you go where you want to copy them, in our case to SD card, to any folder you like, could be pictures for me, and tap copy here. And now you will have these images here on your SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.